And finally, the better part that Jesus is talking about is when we know how to balance our life as Christians. Kung titignan natin, we have two characters in our gospel today that represents two kinds of relationship, our relationship with the Lord. Una, si Martha. It represents our active service for the Lord. Action, service, charity works, apostolate. On the other side, Mary. It represents our contemplative and prayerful life as Christians. Pagdarasal, pagmemeditate, pagmimisa, pagrorosaryo, pakikinig ng salita ng Diyos. Two characters that are present in our Christian life. Service and ministry, and at the same time, prayer and reflection. At itong dalawang bagay sa ating buhay bilang Kristiyano, kailangan natin i-balance so that we can have a better part in our life.